students, welcome back. So students, today's English class we will be continuing with our active English. Last class we had finished with chapter 20. Now today we will continue further. So students, just have a look at the screen. Here are some of the words written like myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Now students, if you remember last chapter we had done, I had spoken something about called reflexive pronouns. So these words are all reflexive pronouns. So it is a continuation of that chapter. I mean, the chapter is different, but it is a continuation of that part. So now today we will be doing active English chapter 21. Just open that page, chapter 21. Look at the question, read, use these words to finish the sentence. So those were the words that are given on the top in the box. You are using those words, means those reflexive pronouns, to complete the sentences given. Let's check out. No one would do it for me, so I did it. Me. I'm talking about me. So I did it. The word has to be myself. Just have a look. It should be myself. No one would do it for me, so I did it myself. Next. If no one will do it for you, you must do it. That's right. You must do it yourself. Answer is yourself. Just write that, students. Next. No one would do it for him, so he did it himself. No one would do it for him, so he did it himself. Have you written? So let's move ahead. She could not find anyone to do it for her, so she did it herself. She could not find anyone to do it for her, so she did it herself. Just write. Next. No one did it for us. We did it. We are talking about us. We did it ourselves. We did it ourselves. Write the spellings correctly. Next. No one will do it for you, girls. You must do it. We are talking about not one girl. We are talking about many girls. So you must do it yourselves. Answer is yourselves. Just write. Let's move ahead. No one will do it for them. They will do it. That's right. Themselves. Themselves. Now, next one. When he saw dash in the mirror, he could not help laughing at dash. When he saw, now we are talking about the second person. When he saw himself in the mirror, he could not help laughing at, again, himself. Maybe if he looked funny. For him, he appeared funny. When he looked at himself in the mirror, he could not help laughing at himself. So both the blanks you are going to write himself, himself. Written, students. Shall we move ahead? A cat never needs washing. It is always washing. We are referring cat as it. It is always washing itself. It is always washing itself. We move to the next. There is no need to stop this machine. When it has finished, it stops again itself. It stops itself. Shall we move ahead? Now, she stood on her toes so that she could see. We are talking about she. So that she could see herself in the mirror. She could see herself in the mirror. Next, your face is dirty, said Tom's mother. I wish you could see your face. Mother is telling Tom, I wish I could see. Your face is dirty, said Tom's mother. I wish you could see yourself. Now, next. If you play with a sharp knife, you may cut. Yes, very simple. You may cut yourself. If you play with a sharp knife, you may cut yourself. Now, students, now next 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 is homework. You are supposed to do it on your read, understood. Now you are supposed to do it on your own. 15, 16, 17 and 18 is homework. So shall we move to the next exercise? The next part of that chapter. Answer the questions beginning with no and using myself, yourself. So here's a question given and you have to begin the answer with a no, and you have to use myself and yourself according to the sentence. Okay. Shall I open the door for you? This is the question. So what was the question? We are supposed to make use of the word no. So obviously the answer will start no. We should give a pause, so there has to be a comma. No, I can open it myself. Somebody is asking, shall I open the door for you? So you say, no, I can open it myself. Shall we move to the next one? Shall we do his homework for him? Shall we, his friends are asking, they are talking amongst themselves, shall we do his homework for him? So the answer has to begin, no, he can do it himself. No, he can do it himself. Next, shall we cook the food for them? Shall we cook the food for them? Now we are talking about more people, them, not one. Not, it is not him or her, it is them. So many people are there. So what will be the answer? No. No, comma. When we are talking of many people, we'll say no, they can cook it themselves. No, they can cook it themselves. Hope you have completed, students. Next, shall we ask them to help us push the car? Shall we ask them? Maybe your car has got some problem. It is not moving. So we generally normal conversation. Shall we ask them to help us push the car? So the answer has to begin with a no. No, we can push it ourselves. We can push it ourselves. Next. Now the next student, the fifth and the sixth one, you can do it on your own. Very simple. So fifth and sixth, just write there HW. Okay. The next one, now we move ahead. Will you clean the board for us? The question is, will you clean the board for us? The answer on one condition, it has to begin with a no. No, comma, you can clean it yourself. No, you can clean it yourself. Next. Shall I move? Shall I clean her shoes for her? Shall I clean her shoes for her? How will you write, students? No. She can clean them herself. No, she can clean them herself. Next. Shall I get the newspaper for him? Shall I get the newspaper for him? The answer will begin with a no. He can get it himself. He can get it himself. Shall we move to the next? Next question. Shall I carry that bag for you? Shall I carry that bag for you? No. No. Somebody is offering to help. So here you can add a thank you. No. Thank you. Full stop. I can carry it myself. When somebody is offering to help you, you should say a thank you, right? No, thank you. I can carry it myself. No, thank you. Full stop. I can carry it myself. Now, so the 11th and 12th students, you are supposed to do it at home as homework. So just mark their HW. Now students, here you must have observed in the second part of this part of this chapter. Here we have made use of the word answer has to begin with a no, and also every sentence we have to make use of the word can. And you have noted one more thing, we have not repeated the noun, but we have used a pronoun. Okay, we have used a pronoun. I hope you have completed this. Look at the this. Shall we cook the food for them? See, look at the answer. No. We are talking about many people, so they can cook it themselves. Food we have not used food, we have used a pronoun. They can cook it themselves. So in all the answers you are supposed to make use of the word no. Begin with the answer with a no. You should make the use of the word can, and you are using, instead of a noun, you are making use of the word making use of a pronoun. Okay, so I hope you have understood, and I have given some homework for you, very simple. Okay, so we are done with Active English chapter 21. I hope you complete and keep your books neat. Okay, and students, please practice reading, recitation. Also, you are supposed to learn those the poem. Assessment will be taken. Keep your books notes completed. Start studying. Daily studies have to be done. I'm sure you're doing your GK value education part also. Cursive writing, I hope you're practicing. Don't uh, lose interest in writing. You need to practice writing. Okay, once the school will reopen, you will have to start writing notes, and also now you should have a practice of writing. Okay, I'm sure you're doing all that part. So students, till we meet in the next class, have a nice day.